Okay, finally I got my GoPro Hero 7 Black. So let's open this and see what's in here. So it looks like you can open it from here. Open. Oh look, that's perfect design. You're supposed to pull this out, right? No. This is harsh. Okay, how do I open this? Oh, just pull it out. That's what I thought. Yeah, looks like there's some instruction here. 1, 2, 3. So, what am I doing here? Oh, cool. This is really cool. So have some this here. Open this up. Oh, look what we have. I think this is charging it. Extra battery. Oh, I don't know what this is for. And this. And this is the GoPro itself. So I think this is the direction how to get this thing out. Okay, first let's put this thing up. I believe so. And then push it this way. No. Is it true like this? No. Oh, here. This is how you see that? You gotta push this in, make it smaller, and then push it back. That's how you can take this off. Okay. Wow. You see that? Been wanting this for so long. Finally have it. So we have the GoPro base, a battery, and a charger, and the seat. Oh, so basically it tells you how to use it, and also the instruction in all of these languages, and if you need help, and stickers. So that's it for this time. Thank you.